Based on your successful deployments with HKT, CMHK, CelcomDigi, AIS, and etc., what is the best path and pace for telcos' intelligent transformation, and which high-value use cases scaled first and delivered the strongest return?
So in my mind, that telcos are essential. They are large enterprises. So their AI transformation must follow the same logic as any enterprise's journey. So from our practice with operators, my experience is the most effective path is from internal adoption to external expansion. So first, starting internally with the high-frequency scenarios like customer services, marketing, and network operations. So we're building the fundamental organization, data governance, and IT platform to embedded AI in daily workflows, and they can deliver measurable gains. So execution should be from easy to hard, and from the inference to the fine-tuning or training, using inference application to validate the value very quickly, and then move to the fine-tuning or training when needed. So typically, operators starting with the M domain use case, and then expansion to B domain or O domain scenarios, such as fault diagnosis and predictive maintenance. So once internal capability are in place, the operators can reshape the consumer and home services. For example, smart home, cloud storage, and AI calling. Ultimately, by leverage combined strengths in the network, cloud, and integrated delivery, they can extend the private data and industry know-how to industry solutions like smart mining, smart retail, and smart city. So overall, AI for internal use firstly, and then to the AI for consumer, last to the AI for industry. So improve internally productivity firstly, and then innovation services, and finally empower the industry broadly.
Now, building on that, as APAC's telcos accelerate AI and GenAI adoption, AI is only as good as the data feeding it. How do data integration and data governance determine the success or failure of a telco's digital transformation?
Good question. I often sum it up in one sentence. So data integration determines whether AI run at all, but the data governance determines whether AI can run reliably and sustainably. So data integration is about building a one wheel, the whole wheel. So only by connect BSS, OSS, CRM together and aggregated them across the domains into a 360 customer and network view can AI make decision based on this global consistent information. Otherwise, data stays fragmented, closed loop are harder to achieve. So data governance is also very important. It's about making data usable and useful. It requires unified management of the data catalog, security, standards, and access control to ensure the quality. Just as importantly, operators need a business-driven tagging system. So cover the customer profile, plans, payments, devices, application experience, location, etc. So overall, only by getting all of this right, data can become an asset and continuously generate business value.